So in the absence of presence, there's only that repetitive mental noise. And part of that mental noise is the story of me. It's the problematic story that is hoping at some point in the future it will no longer be problematic. Not realizing that what it calls future has no actual existence except as another thought. The only existence what we call future has is as a thought in your head. Beyond that, there's no such thing as future. If there were such a thing as future, somebody, some great explorer, would have found it. And we would have a monument. He discovered the future. So far, it hasn't happened, and it's not likely to happen, because it is a conceptual thing only. When the future comes, which is a thought, it can only appear in the space of your aware presence, the light of consciousness. It can only appear as the now, whatever form it takes in the space of now that you are. Something appears. That's the now, the form of now. So, no such thing as future. Future is a thought. And this also applies to the past. Because apart from the thoughts in your head, let's say, this happened to me, I did this, he did this to me, she did that to me, I did that to him and them, and then they did that, and then... It didn't happen in the past. When it happened, if it ever happened, because you know how the mind works, it gradually, as it reinterprets the future. So what you see as things that actually happened, maybe they didn't. Or maybe they did, but when they happened, it was the now, the only place where things can happen. And in order to have the idea that there is such a thing as future, you have to think about that now. So it's only in the light of now that the appearance of future arises. But again, of course, there is no past. Even if time travel were a possibility, you could only arrive ever in the now. You could never say, oh, now I'm in the past. You see, already the sentence doesn't make sense. Now I'm in the past. I've traveled to the Roman times, and now I'm here in the past. No, you're in the now.